Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Want to watch blockbuster movies, hit series, and exclusive originals from Showtime on your FireStick? But not sure how to install it? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step method to install Showtime on your FireStick in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Section 1. What you need. Before we begin, make sure you have an Amazon Fire TV stick connected to your TV, a stable internet connection, and a Showtime subscription. You can sign up later if you don't have one. Section 2. Install Showtime app. Now follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Go to the FireStick home screen. Step 2. Click on the Find option. Step 3. Select Search. Step 4. Type Showtime using the on-screen keyboard. Step 5. From the results, select the Showtime app. Step 6. Click on Download or Get. Section 3. Open and sign in. Once installed, Step 1. Click Open. Step 2. You'll see a sign-in screen. You can log in using your Showtime account credentials. OR. Activate via a code on your mobile or browser. Section 4. Activation method, optional. If you choose activation, a code will appear on your TV. Go to the Showtime activation website on your phone or laptop, enter the code, log in to your account, and boom, your FireStick will refresh automatically. Conclusion. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.